Hi there guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can stake and farm your Fry tokens and actually start to earn more than you ever was before just by providing liquidity to these pools. Make sure to watch the video all the way through so you fully understand how you can get your crypto working for you. Okay, so the concept of staking and providing liquidity to a liquidity pool is very, very simple. The overall concept seems quite overwhelming, but it's very simple to do. So all you really need to do is have the tokens in your wallet, connect up your wallet, and then stake those into the plan of your choice. So for today's video, we're going to be using Fry tokens, and we're going to be investing Fry tokens into one of the pools that you can see in front of me right now. So we have three choices on here. We have one that's currently offering a APR of 22,198%. That's purely just down to the fact that there's not many people invested in this at the moment, so it's a great opportunity to jump ourselves into there. And then also the pool below that has 466%, and then the other pool below that is 644%. So really simple. What we're going to do is we're going to jump straight in, we're going to connect our wallet up, we're going to stake in some Fry tokens, and we're going to show you guys how you can actually start earning an extra side passive income just purely by having some Fry tokens. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to need to do is we're going to need to connect up our Algorand wallet so that we can actually start to send over and stake in some of the Fry that we have in our wallet. So there's multiple choices from here. We can either connect up to our MyAlgo, Pera wallet, or DFly. Currently, I use both Pera wallet and DFly, but for this sake of this video here, I'm going to be using DFly. Now, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to open this up onto your mobile phone, because this is an app-based wallet. So if you have this on your DFly wallet, you will need to connect up and open up your account. Once you have opened up your account, you'll need to take yourself over to the scan option on your phone, and then you'll need to just scan that image, the QR code, press on the connect that you can see on the screen right here, and once you've pressed connect, we are now connected with our wallet to the Cometa Hub. So now that we have our wallet connected to the Cometa Hub, let's take ourselves over to the staking tab so we can stake in some of our Fry. Type in Fry into the search bar, and from there you can see that we have three pools of choice here. So you can see that the total value in the liquidity at the moment is $1,540 there, but with a current APR of 872%, which is insane. And then you also have as well for the 365-day lock for 13,781% on the APR. Now, this is because there's not that many people invested into this pool at the moment, but like I say, I'm going to invest into this right now. Okay, so let's get some Fry tokens invested into these pools. So as you can see here, we have the three pools that are on our side here. If we click on the down arrow, as we have connected up our wallet, it does show us our balance of Fry tokens that we have at the moment. Now, for the 365 days lock, I'm going to lock in there around about $100 worth of Fry, and if I am correct, I think that's around about 74,000 Fry tokens to stake that in there. Now, once I have staked these, you are able to withdraw these once the 364 days has completed, and then also as well you are able to claim your interest as well upon that point. So let's type in here the 74,000 as mentioned, and if we press on the stake button, it's a locked pool. You can claim your rewards only after the lock period. If you stake again, your lock period will be reset. So what that means is, guys, if let's say you put in 74,000 coins right now, $100 worth, and then tomorrow you decide, oh, I might as well throw in another $5 in there, well, that'll bring your timer straight back to 365, okay? So make sure you keep that into account. If you're going to invest something, invest it in now, and then you can just wait your period of time. That would be the best way to do it. Like I said, I do want to make sure as well that I do mention, make sure that you guys do your own financial research and make sure that you know what you're doing when you're investing into these things. But as I say, I trust Fry, I do trust for the project, and I'm happy to invest my money into this at the moment. So like I said, I'm going to press on OK. Stake is in the progress, as we can see here at the moment. Like I said, if I just remove my webcam, you could actually see the stake is in progress, amount 74,000. Please launch your DeFi wallet on your iOS device. Okay, so I'm going to open up my mobile phone, and from here I have a little box that's popped up telling me to confirm. So I've pressed the confirm on there, and that should carry forward and stake in the ones that's on our screen right now. So if we just give this a moment, I have confirmed this on the app. We'll do this live with you guys so you can see. I've got to confirm another transaction onto the app as well. So I've just confirmed that. So that was 2 in total. So give that a moment for itself to stake through. And there we are. Stake has been done. So my stake currently at the moment is $99.26, which is absolutely awesome. So for the 30-day stake-in period, let's maybe just throw some crypto into there as well. Like I said, I would love to see how it goes for both. You see, when I did put in the crypto, you can see that the APR has gone down. As I mentioned, guys, okay, the more people that get involved, the APR will go down, but in turn, okay, that means that the network itself is a lot more secure and a lot more people have their money locked away, which means gives Fry the potential chance to grow so much more in the long run. So let's look at the 30-day lock period as well. So like I said, there's nothing different, okay, between the 365 and the 30-day except the days that it's locked in there for. So for this one, I want to put in there around about $50 worth of Fry. So let's say around about 30,000 Fry tokens. I'm assuming that's going to be roughly around about that amount. And all we need to do is press on the stake warning. Like I say, it's a locked pool. You can claim your rewards only after the lock period. If you stake again, your lock period will be reset. Remember, that is a key point. So in the staking process, as I mentioned before, we will need to open up our wallet app on our mobile phone. And then if you give that a few moments, it will eventually pop up with a notification on your screen to confirm so that you can actually start to do something with this. And there we are. That has popped on the screen. All I need to do is just press on the confirm button right here. Now that I have confirmed that, we just need to wait for this to sync up with our screen and actually stake that in there. And as I said last time, it did ask for 2, and it's asking for 2 again. So let's confirm the second time. And from here, we should now be successfully staked into 2 of the pools. There we are. We successfully staked 30,000 into there, so that's $40 and $99 staked into there. Did want to add an extra $10 in there, but as I say, if you're going to put an extra $10 in there, do it on the same day. Don't wait multiple days because you don't want to reset your staking period. So as you can see here, it is saying that if I click on that, it says unlocks in 29 days, and then I'll be able to press the compound button. And for this one here, in 364 days, I will be able to claim that from here. Now, I'm not 100% sure whether this is the daily earnings. It does seem like that would be the case, so potentially daily I would earn around about 0.29 Fry, and then for this one here I would earn 47.42 Fry every single day, which would be around about 6 cents. And to be fair with you, if it's saying there's 12,507 APR currently at the moment, that would make sense. There we have it, guys. We are now successfully staked into the Fry Foundation's pools that they currently have active at the moment. So as you can see here, they currently have 3 going at the moment. We've invested into 2 of these pools. Maybe for the sake of it, maybe I'll throw in another 5,000 into their smaller pool that they have there. Just throw in another just to make sure that I am covered on all bases. But like I say, if you want to make sure that you keep yourself as secure as possible, make sure that once you have invested and staked into the Cometa pool, make sure that you have written down your seed phrase, or written that on a piece of paper. Make sure that you store this offline so that if you ever need to go back to here in 365 days or in 30 days, that you would actually be able to claim your tokens in case of the worst case scenario. But aside from that, these APR rates at the moment are looking insane. I'm glad that I've got myself into it at the moment. If you can see here, it's already claiming that I've earned 37 cents in rewards. Like I said, I've only had this up for a few moments. I'm just going to confirm on the app for this here. Like I said, you will have to confirm once or twice with your app so that you can actually stake in your Fry tokens each time. But as I say, there's a second one, confirm on that one, and then like like I say, should see a big, nice little bit of confetti, you know, sprawl onto the screen. And from there we are, we have staked in our Fry tokens. So like I say, it's a great way. If you yourself, you know, have been mining Fry, you know, for the past few months, and you've been thinking to yourself, what could I do? Where else could I earn with my Fry tokens? I don't want to sell these just yet. I believe in the future growth of Fry Foundation. Well, this is the place, and this is what you would do. You'd put yourself, your money, and you'd invest it straight into this. Like I said, do your own research when it comes to investing your own money, of course. And just before I end today's video, I did think it was worth mentioning just to show you guys this. Now, I only invested 5,000 coins into the bottom tier of the pools. Like I say, you can see here where it says the APR is 97%. You can see that I've popped in there $6.44. You can see a couple options there. It says compound and claim. Now, just to show you guys what these are and how to use them, it would make sense to do this in this video. So if you was to press on compound, it wouldn't allow you to do it unless you have 1 cent worth of Fry tokens. Like I said, the more that you would have staked in there, the more that you'll earn over a period of time. Now, this has only been a few minutes of accumulation, and I have already done this once already as well, just to see what happened. But if you press on the claim there and open up your DFly wallet or Pera wallet, you'll actually get an option on your phone that will say confirm. And if you confirm this and you refresh your screen, you will actually get the Fry tokens that you can see there. So, you know, you could be here daily, you know, claiming your tokens even more. You could be compounding those so that you could then earn more with your Fry tokens. So, like I say, guys, there's quite a lot we can do with this. I'm really, really interested in the, you know, the liquidity pool side of things and earning money from your, you know, your Fry tokens that you already have and that you've mined up before. So this is a great way for people to earn an extra side passive income to what they're already doing with their passive income devices. So, you know, take this into account. Let me know down in the comments which one of these pools that you guys chose and which one you guys are currently staked into at the moment. I'll probably do an update video maybe in around about 30 days, something like that, show you guys exactly how much I've earned, maybe show you what the rewards tab and things like that are looking for myself at the moment. And for those of you out there, let us know down in the comments how much you guys have invested. Right, guys, so thank you very much for watching today's video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, share this with your friends, and let me know down in the comments if you guys invested into this yourself. Peace.